Hey, what's going on, hustlers? It's your main man, Horace, also known as La Machine. And right now we're doing the weekly jump on it video. Now, normally I do this while I'm at work, but I'm going to tell you, it has been so busy at work. And I tell you what, if you look at my screen, which I'm going to show you here in just a second, you'll see it's like 1:45 in the morning, and I couldn't get it done. I could not get the jump on it done at work. So guess what? I had to come home and do it. So throw on the glasses. Let's teach the masses. So here's the deal. I'm going to give you guys, as usual, a free lead. So here's what I found using my favorite software. You guys already know the software that I use. It's called Tactical Arbitrage. And I can't find I want to highlight my mouse to show you something. I think my computer must have restarted or something while I was at work. Anyway, check this out. Here we are in my software, Tactical Arbitrage. Okay, now watch what we do. Right now, we're looking at the sourcing site, christianbook.com, and that may be one that you don't use that often. I don't, but you can see right away you've got estimated sales of 36. The rank is great. Average rank is still good. Your profit, $10.47, 105% return on investment. You're good to go. And of course, if you scroll over to the right, there's all sorts of other information that you might need, and we teach all of that, how to set your layout and everything like that. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to go out to the site. So if you're in the software, under the title column, if you click, that'll take you to the site, and boom, there you have it. There's the price. It's in stock. I had one up already, but I want to show you. Now you want to, in the software, it'll tell you whether or not you're restricted. If you're a newbie, I'm telling you now, you're not restricted in this product, so you'll be able to sell it. And look at that rank. Look at what it's selling for. You're going to get it for $9.79. Now, of course, that's not including tax, but somewhere in that area. And look at, if we come down and we can even look at the average of 2105, and here we're looking at that Keeper chart. Look at the velocity on that. Now, I happen to have a paid version of Keeper, but I can see it sold on the 8th. Today is the 11th of November, but it looks like they sold one, I guess it was on the 8th. Now, that was fulfilled by merchant, but that was 29. Look at, you had fulfilled by Amazon on the, well, that's the 1st of October, but you know, this product is selling. You'll be all right with that. I'm just sort of looking around here. Oh no, never mind. That's found offer on the 1st. So, but yeah, I'm gonna put the link to this down in the description. You'll find a link where you can get the actual product links, the Amazon links, and all of that stuff. So, and I encourage you, if you want to learn how to use the software, we have everything that you need right on the YouTube channel. If you go down in the description, you can find links to the Lightning course, the Lightning course part 2. You can find videos where we've done complete mini series on how to use the software Tactical Arbitrage. And I'm always talking TA because, guys, it's so easy. It's so easy. I mean, I literally took about 10 minutes to find this, and it would have been quicker than that, but I was just sort of messing around. So yeah, that's why I encourage you to try the software. There's a free 10-day trial link down in the description. Remember, after you've taken the lightning course, after you've taken the lightning course part 2, that just teaches you how to use the software, what sites to go to, what categories to be looking in. You'll even have a link for a bulk list already set up for you. So hope this helps. Let me know if you need anything. Guys, in the description, you know how to connect with me. Text me, whatever. All right. I'll see you guys. Make sure that if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. You don't want to miss let's see, Friday's video is going to be about Funko products, and when we go live this Saturday, we're going to be sourcing Funko products. So if you like Funko, if you want to learn about Funko, how to get ungated in Funko, it's going to be a Funko night. So I'll see you in the lightning courses, and I'll see you on Friday and Saturday. Hustle.